If you're in business, you've probably tried to optimize your website, either on your own or through an SEO company that you paid for. So you also probably know that it can take 6 months or more, usually more, to see high placement on search results and organic listings. Even then, you'd be doing well to obtain even one spot on the first page of Google and other search engines. But imagine being able to have your business show up in Google right at that moment when your prospects, your customers, start searching. Before they hit enter, before your competition can even be seen, your business will show up in the one place that has 100% of your customers' attention. They can't help but see your name. I'm talking about the search box. This is the most used part of the search engine. It's also known by other names like autocomplete or autosuggest. When a consumer types in that keyword phrase, for example, plumbing Los Angeles, your business will be seen in the autocomplete box next to the searched phrase. By having your business name in the search suggestion when a customer clicks on it, you can take over the entire first page of the results, not just one spot. We call this search box optimization. Now you might be wondering, exactly what benefit does my business get from this? The main one is customers. Everything begins with a search. You are gaining a powerful advantage over your competitors simply by being the first thing that a customer sees when they start typing something related to your business or product. Besides the obvious benefits of having interested customers calling you, wanting what you sell, there are some other benefits that make it really attractive, such as owning the entire first page of search results. You know the biggest issue with standard SEO? Everyone else is doing it too. Just think of how many SEO companies call you every week. So even if you're sitting at the top of page 1, some of your competition is too, and they want your spot. With search box optimization, not only do your customers see you before ever seeing your competition, but when they choose your business name from the autocomplete box, you can own the entire first page of search results. No competition. The next benefits are things called social proof and authority. When a customer starts typing into Google and sees the results pop up, they're going to think this is what everyone else is searching for, or Google recommends this business. That's called social proof. If you're already doing any kind of organic SEO, getting relevant traffic to your website is going to help your website rank in searches for your industry or type of business. If you're a plumber and people go to your website because they clicked on the phrase Los Angeles Plumbing and your business name, that's going to signal to Google that they have found exactly what they were looking for, and Google will see your website as a trusted place to send more traffic. That's called authority. Companies are spending crazy amounts of money every year to get consumers to remember their name. It's called top-of-mind awareness. Imagine if each time somebody searches in a specific industry, they always see your company's name associated with it. When someone selects you from the search results, then clicks on that result, Google will remember everything they do. Google is constantly trying to show consumers what it thinks is most relevant or important to them. So if someone's looking for an attorney, then clicks away to look at other practices, they will keep seeing your business name every time they type in that keyword phrase. Don't wait to jump on this technology. The response has been outstanding.